Real quick, I am mixing in Cubase and I'm mixing with Maschine Studio and Cubase. So this is purely what I would do during my mixing and quick post production. Not really post production, but I'm still gonna probably add some music to this or some instruments to this. But I came up on these beats and I wanted to finish it up. Something I started a couple days ago, probably last month, in the month of December. I'm trying to finish this up, right? So let's go. I normally like to put my my transport control up here. Whatever, if you like, I can put it up here. I'll probably put it up here for now so it doesn't disturb what I'm doing. So I have Maschine coming in. I have Maschine beats coming in into Cubase as an instrument. All right. If you don't know how to do that, let me go ahead. Add instrument track. Select other. Maschine should be here. Select Maschine and add track. That will add your Maschine track. And when it adds it, you're gonna go in and find your Maschine track, whatever track you made on Maschine. So what I do is I produce a Maschine standalone first. I produce all this stuff, save it. Then if I feel like I want to bring it into Cubase for something, maybe more than likely it's for recording voice, or I want to bring it in because I want to use something in Cubase to mesh it up together, then I simply add it up in Maschine and select the track and add it in. So that's what I did here with this. All right, so this is my Maschine track. The drums is my Maschine. I'm gonna mute this, the trap synth loop. By the way, it's a loop. So this is the drums and Maschine. I've already appended this to song, so it's in here. I also have an instrument here. It's fire, man. Woo! I gotta duplicate it. It's following my duplicate. I gotta go back. Keep duplicating to alright, so what happens here is extend it all the way. You're just watching what I do, okay? Just pay attention to what I do. This is how I pretty much get the tracks going in, you know. Sounding that way, but I don't know. I'm gonna do that one, straight. See if I want to start this. Go ahead. So watch this, right? If you're mixing in Cubase and Maschine, you gotta watch this. See this area in Maschine. this is what I'm going to use to control. I'm going to still use my scenes to control my how the music comes in. I'm going to use that to control how the music comes in still, just like you would normally do when your machine standalone. So rather than mute this, because it's never gonna work if you mute it, you're mixing anything. I'm gonna, remove the track in scene 1. So I'm gonna make my machine match with this. All right, let's go. Let me go twice. So with that, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna probably make the track real short. I'm gonna remove this from. There you go. What's the same one do? Nothing in scene 1 really. All right, let's go. So something is wrong when you add. So when I add this, yeah, what happens? Oh no, let me see. So what's up with the rap group? Hold on, what's the bar on this? Check the bar on this. It's 4 bars. I should make it 8 bars, maybe. All right, so I'm trying to. That's what's happening. See what's happening? The scenes are not stretched properly. That's what's happening. All right. That's what I want, really. So I've already mixed in. I'm going to duplicate this thing a little bit more. So for a typical rap song, I already got my intro and my first chorus going in. Alright, some people will copy, create the first and then copy and paste all through. Some will copy and paste, but some will, like I'm doing, go through all the way. I like to go through all the way, really. So I've kind of, let me start from the beginning. So I got my intro going. This is a typical rap song. It's a typical rap song. Alright, so that's how I will probably, this is how I probably normally mix. So it's not a tedious process if you know, if you've done it before. But you're pretty much kind of mixing between your machine and between your Cubase. Cubase is a complete DAW. Machine is a standalone for production, almost like a DAW, not a DAW, but it has, it's pretty, it's intensive, all right, with what you are able to do in machine. So time signature and everything, Cubase, the DAW controls that, so that's no issue. All right, so you gotta, but when it comes to the scenes and the patterns and the length, you just gotta make it match. This has to match with what you got going on. So far, I've added a machine. The beat is playing a machine. I got some instruments, some the celestial ensemble, and then I got the trap synth loop in Cubase. So I'm gonna mesh all that together and come up with sound music. This is trap music. I'm gonna come up with trap music. All right. So I hope this is hope this helps. Workflow. I'll call this the workflow between Cubase 10 and Machine Studio 2.7. Until next time, ask me anything you need to ask me. You follow me on Instagram. This is BoomJ. Twitter. This is BoomJ. And my beat website, boomjbeats.com. Until next time, peace out. God bless.